Good morning, besties. Welcome back to another vlog. This is my first vlog of 2022. It is Tuesday, January 4th at 10:01 a.m. My hair looks funky right now because I had it clipped up while I was sleeping. I actually didn't go to my workout class this morning. I've not been on top of my routine, and I know I should be because it's the new year, but also I'm not too strict on myself about it because I will get back into it. And also the gyms are closing again tomorrow, which is great. So no more F45, restaurants are closing. I'm just super frustrated, and so I'm gonna have to start working out in my basement again. I'm just so used to going to classes, where forcing myself to work out in my basement is gonna be really challenging, but it will be a nice change. I don't know how long the gyms will be closed for. I think it says 21 days, but who knows, it could be longer. We're just rolling with the punches here. Great start to 2022. I want to start my to-do list, so I got this on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. I definitely featured it in a vlog, I want to say within the last month. This is my very first time using it, so I kind of touched on it in that video, but I didn't purchase a planner this year. I just got this to-do list notepad just because I found I wasn't using it every single day, and I didn't really need all the features that a planner has, just because like I'm not a student or anything. I don't have a lot of deadlines that I need to mark off, so I think this is the best way to go about it. And I'm also starting to use Google Calendar just so I can kind of structure my day and put any important appointments and deadlines that I need in there, which I'm really liking so far. So I can schedule like my workouts, when a video goes live, time frames that I need to work in. Kind of give you guys a rundown of the notepad. So you have the date, you can circle the actual day of the week, water intake, which I thought was a really cool touch, and also this health and fitness section. So you can write like your workouts, maybe like your meal plans for the day, achievements of the day, your priorities, and then your actual like scheduled to-do list, and then other noteworthy shit. When I ordered the notepad, I also got a bunch of pens, and I've already used the black one a few times, and these are so good. I originally thought I ordered Muji pens, but I think they're just like an off-brand of that. The brand is Hanku. I don't know if you guys can see the name of it there. I'll have these linked down below as well, but it came with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 different colors, and I'm so excited to use these. They like are actually incredible. So I think today I want to use this blue one. And I just keep them right there with like my AirPods and blue light glasses. I don't really have that much going on today, but let's do it. When you guys write the date, how do you do it? I always do the month, day, year. So 1/4/22, it's Tuesday. I have edit and send TikToks for review, vlog, IG content, other stuff I need to do, the date, and that's what it's looking like so far. I've actually already done my emails and comments, so I can check those off. But I just wanted to pop in and intro the vlog. Another thing I want to do today is go through a box of kind of goals and resolutions that I did last year, I think on New Year's Day last year. I honestly don't even remember what I wrote at this point, but I just wrote down a bunch of things on a piece of paper, stuck it into a box, and put it away for me to look at the following year. So we're not gonna do that right now, but I will obviously vlog when we're doing it. I think that could be really fun, and maybe I will write down some more goals for the new year to look at the following year. I just can't believe it's already 22. It's freaking crazy. But anyway, I'm going to edit those TikToks right now so I can send them over for review, and I'll probably talk to you guys when I'm picking up my Nespresso order. The mall opens at 11, so I kind of have like an hour to work. Yup. It's my favorite breakfast right now. Hi guys, it's a little bit later. I got some stuff crossed off of my list. I edited the TikToks, sent them over, called my doctor, and I'm about to go to the mall to pick up my Nespresso order. I also realized that while I'm at the mall, I should take advantage of getting all of my trousers hemmed because I have been putting it off for so long, and I only have like, out of all my trousers, like 3 pairs that are actually hemmed to fit me properly because I'm super short, and trousers are always just so long on me because I'm 5'3". I've accumulated a pile over here of 6 pairs that I need to get hemmed so that I can actually wear them outside without dirtying them. So like I have this pair from Princess Polly, and then the rest are Garage. I believe it's around like $15 for each pair, so might be pretty pricey, but I don't really have a choice. So I'm gonna put those in this Realization Par tote bag. Wow, those actually all fit perfectly. I just threw on something random, but I'm wearing this coat from Princess Polly that you guys would have seen, I think 2 Princess Polly hauls ago. And then I have on this black turtleneck from Zara last year, my Levi dad jeans, and I think I'm going to wear my Vans just to keep it casual and match with the black and white going on. Back in the car, that was such a quick trip. The Nespresso store wasn't open, the gates were closed, and they're doing online orders only, which is super weird because everything else in the mall was open, but whatever. I thought I would do a little haul in the car. I really am just so confused as to where that silicone holder went on my dashboard. I think I'm gonna need to order another one because it just looks weird and it could fall at any second. I picked up 3 Malozios. These are like the best coffee sized ones, at least that I personally like. And then I picked up 2 of, this is not what I ordered. Is it? I don't know. I thought this was like an almond one. Forest almond flavor. This says Forest Black. I don't know if that's the same thing, let's hope so, but it said it was an almond flavored coffee and I thought that sounded really good. I think it's a seasonal one. I have so many Bianco Lagueros, which is the double shots of espresso, so I wanted to pick up just more regular size coffees, like I said. But the main thing that I wanted, that I've been wanting forever, and it was on my Christmas wish list, but it was sold out. It is the Nespresso frother. I've talked about this so many times in my vlogs, but this is actually going to change the fucking game. Right now I'm using a handheld one from Amazon and it sucks. It is so bad. You have to attach the frother to the base, and when you turn the frother on, it like shakes and then comes off. So I'm very excited about this, and I'm so happy that it's finally back in stock. I'm gonna unbox it and everything when I get back, and then I'm going to make a coffee with you guys because I'm so excited to try it. But it basically like warms up your milk and froths it, but I believe there's also a cooling setting. But the main reason I want that is for lattes. But that's all, so let's go home. Okay, I found it. It was down there. Random, but I was grabbing my stuff. Okay, hi, it's a little bit later. I just ate some leftover chicken stew. That was for dinner last night. Let's unbox the frother. I'm so excited about this. I've been wanting this forever, like I said in the card.
More fucking coffee mugs?
It's not a mug. It's a frother. This is what the inside looks like. Okay, I'm brewing my Bianco Laguero, and I just washed this. I don't know how much oat milk to put. I'm just gonna guess. Like that. I don't know. Lid on. Look at it. Look at it go. Okay, double shot. Ooh! Look at all that broth. No, I'm like so excited. You have to be kidding. And then I think you just rinse it out after. 10 out of 10. Actually highly recommend this. It worked so good. And I just know it's gonna taste so good. It's just probably hot, so I'm gonna wait a bit. But I just can't believe how good it frothed. I mean, obviously that's what it's meant to do, but I'm just so used to how shitty my other one was. And I think this will also be really nice for when I make chai lattes because it will really mix up the chai and the oat milk and froth it at the same time. Let's try this. It literally tastes like a Starbucks oat milk latte. I never have to go to Starbucks to get an oat milk latte ever again. Oh my god. I'm not being dramatic, like it actually tastes exactly like it. I think that might be the best thing I've bought in a really long time, to be honest. Another thing to cross off my list. I have IG content and TikToks on my list, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that just because I really don't want to do my makeup right now, but like I should do it. I don't know. Anyways, right now we're going to go through this little High School Musical box that I got at a garage sale so long ago. I think I was in high school when I bought it because I just thought it was really funny. But this is where I put all of my 2021 goals. So let's go through them, shall we? And maybe we will write down more for the new year. I'm kind of like cringing at these. I'm unsure of what they're gonna say and probably none of them are true, but let's see. Wake up at 7:30, do journaling and workout. Okay, I definitely did that one. I was waking up at 7 a.m. every single day and working out at 8. And I did my 5-minute journal. So I stuck to that one and I still am implementing that throughout this year. Start clothing brand. Did not do that. I don't know why I wrote that, honestly. Have no idea because I have no interest in doing that anymore, at least. So that one did not come true. Post 3 times a week on YouTube, post daily on Instagram, post 1 to 2 times a week on TikTok and Reels, Q&A every Sunday on Instagram. I post 3 times a week on YouTube. A lot of times I post daily on Instagram, but sometimes I just don't have enough content to post every day, but I try. I wouldn't say I stuck with the TikTok or Reels or the Q&A. So that one's a no. But I did strive towards that, so I'll give myself the credit. Hit, what? Hit 100,000 subscribers and 10K on Instagram. Did not do that. I don't know why I thought I could get that big in 1 year, but maybe this year. I'm close to 10K on Instagram, but not on YouTube. Oh, this is really sad. Why did I write? Why is that so deep? I must have been really going through it this day because I don't feel comfortable reading that out loud. Be kinder, specifically in tone. This is my New Year's resolution every year because I get told by my parents all the time. I try though. I'm working on it. Stop biting and chewing my cheeks. Did not stop that. Don't know if I ever will. That's such a weird thing to write. This is kind of cringy. Move out? Who did I think I was? Live a healthier lifestyle. Definitely did that. Work on relationships with friends, family, boyfriend. Daily manifesting and daily journaling. Did not do that. Honestly, a lot of my interests have changed and this has been really weird to read back. I don't know if I want to write more New Year's resolutions though. I think what I want to do instead, I saw this on TikTok where I'm gonna still do it in this box, but every single time I make a really good memory this year, I'm gonna write it down on a piece of paper and then stick it in here and read it all back in the new year or at the end of the year. I need to get that IG content done, so I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup. I'll link my everyday makeup routine if you guys haven't seen it, and I will talk to you guys whenever I'm doing something fun or vlog worthy. All right, it's 3 o'clock right now, I think. 3:16, and I'm watching Avengers Endgame because me and my friends have been doing an Avengers and like Spider-Man marathon because we're seeing the new, or at least I'm seeing it for the first time tonight, the new Spider-Man. So I was getting educated. I watched the recap of this yesterday, but I finished all my work today, so I'm gonna watch this before we see Spider-Man at 8:30. I already kind of know what happens, but obviously if I watch it, I'll get a better idea. But it's like 3 hours long, so need to get started. I have a face mask on, leave me alone. I always look crazy when I film these outros because I'm editing. I need to get better at actually filming an outro when I'm vlogging. It is what it is, but I thought I would give you guys a recap because I didn't end up watching Endgame because I realized 20 minutes in that I hadn't seen Infinity War. So I'm like, why am I watching Endgame? So I switched it and I'm going to watch Endgame tonight. But Spider-Man No Way Home was so good. Out of all the Marvel movies that I've seen, that one is hands down my favorite. If you guys haven't seen it, highly recommend. We saw the movie at 8:30. I didn't vlog prior, but after I finished that movie, I ate dinner, I changed, and then I went over to my friend's house because we were carpooling. And then I got home at like 12. Swag. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in a few days.